Today I'm going to show you how to bake chocolate orange banana bread. This recipe comes to us from the star of the Great British Baking Show, Paul Hollywood, and his latest book called Bake. First thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and I'm going to work from my little cheat sheet here today. Let's grease and line a loaf pan. So I've got some butter here, and we'll just go ahead and spread that butter all around real nice, evenly. This beautiful loaf pan. So here we go with the parchment paper. So starting off, we want to get the zest of one orange. Here's our orange. Here's our zester. Let's see if we can make some beautiful zest from this orange. There we go. And I think that just about does it. Voila! The zest of one orange. Roughly chop 3 bananas in a large bowl. Alrighty then. 3 large bananas coming right up. If anyone has any clues as to what roughly chopping a banana means, I'm willing to listen. So I'm just going to cut away, hope for the best. I believe these are duly, roughly chopped. Rough, but not too rough. Fine, but not too fine. I wonder who wants to share this bread with me. Would you like to try some? You may just have to make your own. All right. We have 3 roughly chopped bananas in a large bowl. Add 1 1/4 cups of superfine sugar. Sometimes also known as caster sugar. I think that's more a British term. Superfine sugar. We're going to add 1 stick plus a tablespoon of softened unsalted butter. So let's plop in the tablespoon and the stick. Softened butter. Zest of 1 orange. Whisk until smoothly combined. I think that's pretty smoothly combined. Isn't it a beautiful batch? Next, let's add the eggs, 1 at a time, and beat well after each addition. Egg number 1. Egg number 2. We're going to mix 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder together. And 2 teaspoons baking powder. It's one of those magic ingredients where the magic begins to happen. 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix this together real good. Sift over the banana mixture. Let's see if we can get this done. Use our trusty old sieve. It seems to get the job done. This is fun. It's making a little mountain. Don't you love baking? I know I do. Not sure which I love more, the baking or the eating. Well, let's see. Let's finish baking. Then we'll get on with the eating. Fold gently and evenly until combined. So, gently and evenly. Good. Now that we have this beautiful mixture all together, it's time to fold in the chocolate chips. Give me a half cup of bittersweet chocolate chips. In we go. Spoon the mixture into the loaf pan. Let's bring up our wonderful prepared loaf pan here and see if we can get this mixture in there with the least amount of spillage, wastage. What do you say? Is there a method for this, or you just got to get it in there? Sometimes I think my prep table is about 2 inches too tall for me, believe it or not, as tall as I might be. Good. Next step, gently smooth the surface to level it. Gently smooth the surface. I have a smaller offset spatula. Maybe that would be more appropriate for a pan of this size, because it helped me get into the corners a little bit better. The next step is cut the remaining banana in half lengthwise. One remaining banana coming right up. Gently press the cut side up onto the surface. Yeah, here we go. Gently press cut side up into the surface. Oops, I broke that one. Not sure if that was supposed to happen. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes until risen and golden brown. Now we just wait for the magic to happen. Stand by. Final results yet to come. And here we go. It's the out of the oven shot. It's time to take this beautiful bread out of the pan. I still need to let it cool more before we can cut into it and have that beautiful bite shot. But let's see if we can come out of the pan. Okay, can we do this? Oh, yes we can. Yes we can. I already heard it drop. Unpan the loaf. And there we have it. Paul Hollywood's chocolate orange banana bread. What a beauty. What a real beauty. If only you could smell Ooh. Okay, friends and neighbors, this is for the bite shot. I might be a little too soon. I don't think it's cooled quite enough, but I can't wait any longer. We have to just dive in and see what we got here. You never know until you take a slice. I love the end pieces, but I think the real true taste is going to come a little more in the middle. Oh my gosh, you can smell the orange flavor. Holy cow. It's very moist on the inside. I just have to get in close. Oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful cake. You can see some chunks of bittersweet chocolate in there. It's like heaven. Okay, folks. Oh yes. Oh yes. This is the stuff. Thank you, Paul Hollywood. Oh my God, it's so good. And just the right amount of chocolate too. I was afraid there wasn't going to be enough. It's good. It's enough. And I'd really love it if you'd please drop a comment below. This is definitely the stuff. I hope there's enough left for me to share, because right now the temptation is to keep it all for myself. I will share it. Once again, thanks for watching. Stick with me, there's more fun to come.